Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving previous year problems. If the vectors p vector equal to a plus 1 I plus aj plus ak vector, q vector equal to ai vector plus a plus 1 j vector plus ak vector plus r vector equal to ai vector plus aj vector plus a plus 1 k vector are coplanar and 3 into p vector dot q vector whole square minus lambda into r vector cross q whole square equal to 0, then the value of lambda is. It's a numerical type question. So the important thing is p vector, q vector are coplanar. That means scalar product PQ are equal to 0. That can be expressed in determinant form. A plus 1 a plus 1 a plus 1 equal to 0. Using properties of determinants, we can write C1 implies C1 plus C2 plus C3. Adding first column, second column, third column, right in the place of first column. Taking 3a plus as a common factor, one minus 1 0, a minus a 0, here we have minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, here 1, here we have minus 1. Three a plus 1 into So A equal to minus 1 by 3, which implies P vector equal to A plus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 2 by 3 I plus minus 1 by 3 j minus 1 by 3 k. That means 1 by 3 into 2i minus j minus k. Q vector equal to minus 1 by 3 I minus 1 by 3 j A plus 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 j minus 1 by 3 k. That is 1 by 3 into minus I plus 2j minus k. R vector equal to minus 1 by 3 I minus 1 by 3 j plus 2 by 3 k. 1 by 3 into minus I minus j plus 2k. P vector dot Q vector equal to, if you multiply 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 to plus 2 minus 2, minus 1 to minus 1 plus 1. So minus 3 by 9, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. Next we have to find R vector cross Q vector. I, j, k. You take R vector, which is 1 by 3 in common. You take 1 by 3. Minus 1, minus 1, 2. Q vector, here Q vector have 1 by 3. Minus 1, 2, minus 1. One by 9 into I into 1 minus 4 minus j into 1 plus 2 plus k vector into minus 2 minus 1. 1 by 9 into minus 3i minus 3j minus 3k. Minus 3 by 9 into I plus j plus k. That is minus 1 by 3 into I vector plus j vector plus k vector. Modulus of R vector cross Q vector equal to minus 1 by 3 into I plus j plus k. That is 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 root 3 by 3. R vector cross Q vector whole squared. 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. 3 into P vector dot Q vector whole squared minus lambda into R vector cross Q vector the whole squared equal to 0, which means 3 into P dot Q whole squared. P dot Q equal to minus 1 by 3 whole squared minus lambda into R cos Q whole squared, that is 1 by 3 equal to 0. 3 into 1 by 9 equal to lambda by 3. 1 by 3 equal to lambda by 3, which implies lambda equal to 1. The next question is let A vector, B vector, C vector be three vectors such that modulus A vector equal to 3, modulus B vector equal to 5, B vector dot C vector equal to 10, and the angle between B vector and C vector is pi by 3. If A vector is perpendicular to the vector, B vector cross C, then modulus of A vector cross B vector cross C vector C equal to dash. It's a numerical type question. So modulus A vector equal to 3, modulus B vector equal to 5, B vector dot C vector equal to 10. B vector dot C vector equal to 10, which implies modulus B vector, modulus C vector, angle between P and C is pi by 3, that is cos pi by 3 equal to 10, which implies 5 into modulus C vector, that is 1 by 2 equal to 10. Modulus C vector equal to 10 into 2 by 5, that is 4. Further, they have given that A vector is perpendicular to B cross C, which implies A vector dot B cross C equal to 0. That is modulus A vector, modulus B cross C it means A dot B cross C equal to 0, that is A vector B vector C vector equal to 0. So you have found modulus C vector equal to 4. Modulus of A vector cross B cross C we are going to find, that is modulus A vector, modulus B cross C, angle between A and B cross is 90 degree, that is sin 90. Since A vector is perpendicular to B cross C, that is angle between A vector and B cross 90 degree, modulus A vector 3, that is modulus B vector, modulus C vector sin pi by 3, sorry cos pi by 3, sin pi by 3 into 1. Angle between B and C is 60 degree they have given. So 3 into modulus B 5, modulus C 4. This is root 3 by 2. They are given that modulus A vector equal root 3. So root 3 into 10 equal to 30. So modulus of A vector cross B vector cross C vector equal to 30. That's the answer. Let's A vector, B vector, C vector, B3 unit vectors such that modulus of A vector minus B vector the whole square plus modulus of A vector minus C vector the whole square equal to 8. Then modulus of A vector plus 2B vector whole square plus modulus of A vector plus 2C vector whole square is dash. This is also numerical type question. They are given that A, B, C are unit vector. That means modulus A vector, modulus B vector equal to modulus C vector equal to 1. Modulus A vector minus B vector the whole square plus modulus A minus by whole square plus modulus of A vector minus C vector whole square equal to 8. That means modulus A vector square plus modulus B vector square minus twice A vector dot B vector plus modulus A vector square plus modulus C vector square minus twice A vector dot C vector equal to 8. These are unit vectors. Therefore 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 into A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector equal to 8 minus 2 into A vector dot B vector plus A dot C equal to 8 minus 4, that is 4. From this A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector equal to minus 2. Using these results, you have to find modulus of A vector plus 2B vector whole square plus modulus of A vector minus A vector plus 2C vector whole square. Modulus A vector square plus 4 into modulus B square plus 4 into A vector dot B vector plus modulus A vector square plus 4 into modulus C square 4 into A vector dot C vector. This is 1. We have 2A squared or 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 into A vector dot B vector plus 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 into A vector dot C vector. One plus 4, 5, 6, 10. plus 4 into A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector. Four into minus 2. 10 minus 8, 2. Let the position vector of points A and B be I vector plus J vector plus K and 2i plus j plus 3k respectively. A point P divides the line segment AB internally the ratio lambda is to 1. Here lambda is greater than 0. If Y is the origin, then and OB vector dot OP vector minus 3 into Y vector cross OP vector whole square is 6. Then lambda is OA vector, that is I vector plus J vector plus K vector, let it be A vector. OB vector 2 I vector plus J vector plus 3 K vector, let it be B vector. There is a point P divides. The ratio lambda is to 1. This is A vector, B of B vector. So OP vector equal to P divides AB until the ratio L is to, lambda is to 1. So lambda into B vector plus 1 into A vector by lambda plus 1. OB vector dot OP vector minus 3 into OA vector cross OP vector the whole square equal to 6. OB vector, that is B vector dot lambda B vector plus A vector by lambda plus 1 minus 3 into A vector cross lambda P plus A vector by lambda plus 1 whole squared equal to 6. B vector dot B vector modulus B squared plus B vector dot A vector by lambda plus 1 minus 3 into, if we take lambda outside, lambda square into A vector cross B vector whole squared, A cross A vector 0 vector by lambda plus 1 whole squared equal to 6. So we need A dot B and A cross B. So modulus B vector, this is root of 4 plus 1 plus 9, that is root 14. A vector dot B vector, I plus J plus K dot 2y vector plus J vector plus 3k vector, 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is 6. Then we need A vector cross B vector. So modulus B vector equal to root 14, A dot B equal to 6. You have to find A vector cross B vector, I, J, K, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. For A vector 1, 1, 1, B vector 2, 1, 3. Expand this determinant. 3 minus 1 minus J into 3 minus 2 plus K into 1 minus 2. 2y minus J minus K. Modulus of A cross B. 4 plus 1 plus 1, root 6. So lambda into modulus B, that is root 14 whole square, that is 14. B dot A, that is 6 minus three into lambda squared modulus A cross B root 6 squared, that is 6 by lambda plus 1 the whole squared here by lambda plus 1 equal to 6. Six plus 14 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 18 lambda square by lambda plus 1 whole square equal to 6. 6 plus 6 lambda plus 8 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 18 lambda square by lambda by whole square equal to 6. 6 into 1 plus lambda divided by 1 plus lambda plus 8 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 18 lambda by lambda plus 1 whole square equal to 6. This will be cancelled. 6 plus 8 lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 18 lambda by lambda plus 1 whole square equal to 6. This will be cancelled. So 8 into lambda by lambda plus 1 minus 18 into lambda by lambda plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Lambda by lambda plus 1 equal to t, which implies 80 minus 18 t squared equal to 0. Two t into 4 minus 90 equal 0. 2t equal 0 or 4 minus 90 equal 0. T equal 0, 4 by 9 equal to t. T equal 0, t equal to 4 by 9. T equal to lambda by lambda plus 1. T equal to 0 implies lambda by lambda plus 1 equal to 0, which means lambda equal to 0, but lambda not equal to 0, that is given. Therefore t equal to 4 by 9, which implies lambda by lambda plus 1 equal to 4 by 9. 9 lambda equal to 4 lambda plus 4. So 5 lambda equal to 4. Lambda equal to 4 by 5. Lambda equal to 0.8. So that's the answer. Let A comma B comma C belongs to R. B such that A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1. If A cos theta minus B cos theta plus 2 by 3 equal to C cos theta plus 4 by 3, for theta equal to pi by 9, then angle between ai vector plus bj vector plus c k vector and bi plus cj plus ak is a cos theta minus b cos theta plus 2 by 3 equal to c cos theta plus 4 pi by 3, which implies a cos theta equal to b cos if a cos theta equal to b cos theta, the question will be like this, let it be k. Cos theta a equal to k by cos theta, b equal to k by cos theta plus 2 by 3, c equal to k by cos theta plus 4 by 3. We have to find angle between AA plus BJ plus CK, AI plus BJ plus CK, BI plus CJ plus AK. We have to find the angle between these two. That means A dot B by modulus A into modulus B. Just to find A dot B, what will happen? AB plus BC plus CA. So first you find AB, BC, CA value. AB plus BC plus CA equal to, if you multiply k squared by cos theta plus 2 by 3, BC k squared by cos theta plus 2 by 3 theta plus 4 by 3, CA k squared by plus cos theta into cos theta plus 4 by 3. AB plus BC plus CA equal to You take LCM. Cos theta into cos theta plus 2/3 into cos theta plus 4/3. But you can observe that so k square is common factor in the numerator. Then if you take LCM, here you have cos theta plus 4/3 plus cos theta here, cos theta plus 2/3 here. Equal to k square cos theta plus cos E plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 whole divided by cos theta we have applied cos A plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 k squared cos theta 2 cos theta plus theta 2 theta by 2, that is theta. 240 plus 1 360 by 2, that is 180. 120 240 minus 120 by 2 60 whole divided by cos theta plus 2/3 cos theta plus 4/3. K squared cos theta cos 180 plus theta, that is minus cos theta, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 divided by cos theta plus 2/3 cos theta plus 4/3. This will be cancelled. Cos theta minus cos theta 0. So the whole term equal to 0. So AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0. Angle between AI vector plus BJ vector plus CK vector and BI plus CJ plus AK is cos alpha equal to AI plus BJ plus CK dot BI plus CJ plus AK divided by So cos alpha equal to AB plus BC plus CA divided by root of A square plus B square plus C squared root of B square plus C square plus A squared. 0 by 1 into 1 equal to 0. So A square plus B square plus C squared equal to 1 they are given, which implies alpha equal to 90. So option A is correct. Let A vector, let a plan contains two lines R vector equal to I vector plus lambda into I plus j, lambda belongs to R, and R vector equal to minus j vector plus mu into j minus k, mu belongs to R. If Q of alpha comma beta comma R is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 101 to P, then 3 into alpha plus beta plus gamma equals this is also numerical type question. First we have to find equation of plan containing two lines. This can be done in two methods. This line passing through the point, one point on two parallel vector. The rectangular plan passes through 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 and parallel to I vector plus j vector and j vector minus k vector, two parallel vectors. This is b1 vector, I vector plus j vector, b2 vector, j vector minus k vector. We can apply x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1. A2, B2, C2 equal to 0. 1 point, 2 parallel vectors. The point can be taken from, first line or second line. You can take this point or this point. Suppose I take this point. So x minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1 equal to 0. Expand. X minus 1 into minus 1. Sorry, here we have y, z. Z minus y minus 0, z minus 0. So minus y into minus 1. Z into 1 equal 0. Minus x plus 1 plus y plus z equal to 0. X minus y minus z minus 1 equal to 0. This is the plan. Now we have to find foot of the perpendicular from M of 1, 0, 1 to this plan x minus y minus z minus 1 equal to 0 is x minus xn by a equal to y minus yn by b equal to z minus zn by c equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square plus c squared. x1 y1 z1, that is 1 0 1, a comma b comma c, that is 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus the abc, x1 y z means the given point 1 0 1. So x minus 1 by 1, y minus 0 by minus 1, z minus 1 by minus 1 equal to minus into a, that is in place of x we apply 1 0 minus 1 divided by a squared 1 plus 1 plus 1, x minus 1 minus y equal to z minus 1 by minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. So x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3, minus y equal to 1 by 3, z minus 1 minus 1 equal to 1 by 3, x equal to 1 plus 1 by 3, y equal to minus 1 by 3, z minus 1 equal to 1 by minus 1 by 3. So x equal to 4 by 3, y equal to minus 1 by 3, z equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. This is the foot of the perpendicular. So x, y, z, that is 4 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. That is given as alpha, beta, gamma. That is alpha equal to 4 by 3, beta equal to minus 1 by 3, gamma equal to 2 by 3. We have to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 5 by 3. Three times alpha plus beta plus gamma, 3 into 5 by 3 equal to 5. let x naught be the point of local maxima of f of x equal to a vector dot b cross c where a vector equal to x I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector, b vector equal to minus 2i plus xj minus k, and c vector equal to 7i minus 2j plus xk. Then the value of a vector dot b vector plus b dot c plus c dot a at x equal to x naught is minus 4, minus 30, second option, third option 14, fourth option minus 22. So f of x equal to a vector dot b cross c equal to, in place of a vector you have x minus 2 3 minus 2 x minus 1 7 minus 2 x. X into x squared minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2x plus 7 plus 3 into 4 minus 7x, x cubed minus 2x minus 4x plus 14 plus 12 minus 21x, that is x cubed minus 27x plus 26. Here f of x. We cannot factorize easily. So we find f dash of x. 3x square minus 27. F double dash of second derivative 6x. To find the extreme values, you first find first derivative, then second derivative, and put first derivative equal to 0, which implies 3x squared minus 27 equal to 0, 3x squared equal to 27, x squared equal to 9, x equal to plus or minus 3, f dash of minus 3, f double dash of x equal to 6x, f double dash of minus 3, that is minus 18 less than 0. When the second derivative is negative, f is maximum. Therefore, f of x is maximum at x equal to minus 3. Therefore, x naught equal to minus 3. When the derivative is positive, the point in which second derivative is positive will give minimum value. Second derivative negative means maximum value. This is the working procedure. So we will discuss an application of derivative. Here we have used this. So x naught equal to minus 3. So we have to find a vector dot b vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector. So A vector dot B vector xi minus 2j plus 3k dot minus 2y plus xj minus k, that is minus 2x minus 2x minus 3. Minus 4x minus 3. B vector dot C vector. This is B vector minus 2y plus xj minus k dot C vector 7i minus 2j plus xk minus 27 minus 14 minus 2x minus x minus 14 minus 3x. C vector dot A vector 7i minus 2j plus xk dot A vector, that is xi minus 2j plus 3k 7x plus 4 plus 3x, that is 10x plus 4. So A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. A dot B equal to 4x minus 3 plus minus 14 minus 3x plus 10x plus 4. 4x 14x here minus 4x minus 4x minus 3 so 10x minus 7x minus 17 plus 4 minus 3, so 4x or 3x minus 13. In place x we have minus 3, so minus 10 minus 13, that is minus 22. So minus 22 is the required answer. So we will discuss more sums in the next session. Thank you.